So there are a lot of political schools coming up these days to encourage youth to enter into politics. So do you think this is required, or having a political background is equally important?
I think both things go side by side. Clearly, not everybody desirous of joining politics can have a political background. And also, those who have a political background would perhaps be better placed if they'd had some more formal education with regard to governance, politics, issues like that. So, more and more schools like this coming up, more and more formal education in the sphere of governance and politics and government would be perhaps beneficial to all.
So one last message for the youth, because since you're the youngest, you're the youngest person to enter into politics. So I would like you to address the youth of today to enter into politics and be an active part of the politics, not just criticizing it.
Well, clearly, the essence of democracy is participation. Participation means either active or tacit participation. Active participation means becoming a politician. Again, not everybody can do that, but everybody can actively participate in politics. By actively participating in politics, it means taking a stake in democracy. It means going out and casting your vote, and not just once every 5 years for parliament. Whether it's for the assembly, whether it's for the municipalities, whether it's for the panchayats, democracy will work when you're heard. If you don't go out and make yourself heard, democracy won't work. So it's not good enough just to criticize the politicians for not doing anything. It's equally important for the citizens to go out, use the vote as judiciously as they can, and strengthen the system of democracy.
So anything for Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad?
No, I'm going to participate in that today. I was not able to the first two times. Unfortunately, I had to regret. But this time I'm here and I'm very much looking forward to it.